Have you ever thought about the significance of a dining corner in your modern living space? It's not just a functional area where meals are served, it's also a social hub, a centerpiece that can set the tone for your entire home. A well-designed dining corner can provide a comfortable space for not only dining but also conversation, laughter, and the creation of wonderful memories. A dining corner is more than just a place to eat. It's a space that brings people together and adds character to your home. Now let's dive into how you can plan your ideal dining corner. The first step is getting a handle on the room's measurements. Knowing the size of the space can guide you in selecting the right table and chairs. You don't want to overcrowd the room, but you also want to ensure there's enough seating for everyone. Next, consider the style you'd like to create. From modern minimalism to classic elegance, bohemian chic to rustic charm, there's a myriad of options. The key is to choose a style that resonates with you, and then select colors and materials that complement that style. Soft, neutral tones may work well with a modern or classic theme, while vibrant colors could be a great match for a boho look. Lighting is another important factor. A well-lit dining corner can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Try to balance natural light with soft artificial light for evening meals. Pendant lights or a chandelier can add a touch of style. When it comes to decoration, less is often more. A centerpiece on the table or a piece of art on the wall can enhance the room without making it feel cluttered. And let's not forget about functionality and comfort. Ergonomic chairs can make long meals more enjoyable, and a table with enough legroom can make a big difference. With careful planning and thoughtful choices, you can create a dining corner that is not only stylish but also functional and comfortable. To wrap up, let's revisit some of the key tips we've shared today. The dining corner is more than just a functional area in your home. It serves as a focal point where meals, conversations, and memories come together. In planning your ideal dining corner, you start with accurate room measurements and thoughtful layout planning. This ensures that your space is used efficiently and looks balanced. Your choice of table and chairs should not only fit the space, but also reflect your personal style and taste. Whether you're into modern, classic, or boho designs, there's a world of colors and materials out there to explore. Don't forget about lighting and decoration too. The right lighting can enhance the mood and highlight your decor, while thoughtful decorations can elevate the space. Finally, always consider functionality and comfort. Your furniture should be ergonomic, and your layout should maximize the usability of the space. Remember, a dining corner is an essential part of your living space, and with these tips, you can create one that perfectly suits your style and needs.